Hi guys, and welcome to me and Baby Cam's very first Clean With Me video together. I just gave birth on April 1st, so I have a newborn baby there, and I'm just excited that he's here, and I'm excited to be a new mommy. So we are just gonna be focusing on the kitchen and the living room today in this Clean With Me video. It's a 10-minute, just tidy up, put the dishes up, clean the counters off, tidy up the living room. Just a quick little 10-minute Clean With Me video, and I hope you guys enjoy it and get plenty of cleaning motivation, if only it's for 2 rooms. So baby Cam had fallen asleep, and I decided to go ahead and let daddy hold him. So my husband Philip went ahead and picked up the baby and let me get some cleaning done. So he's in there with his dad. So now I'm about to clean the floors or vacuum the kitchen floors. I'm using my Dyson vacuum cleaner. I really, really like this vacuum cleaner because you can use it on your hardwood floors or your carpet, and it really does a great job. So, obviously because of COVID, a lot of people were working from home. So my husband is working from home in the other room, and he had a meeting. So I went ahead and took the baby, because he was getting kind of fussy, whining a little bit. So I'm talking to him, patting his back. As you can see, my other little baby Jackson is being so jelly. He is so jelly of the baby. He's like, I thought I was your baby. He wants to play with everything, specifically our socks, which is a terrible habit. We're trying to get him to stop playing with our socks because there's holes everywhere, but him and his dad still play with them. But as you can see, I'm just trying to calm baby boy down and also kind of talk with Jax a little bit. We got this Boppy Lounger as a gift during our baby shower. We had a drive-by baby shower, and we absolutely love it. Like while he's awake, of course, we sit there and he just looks up at the sky. But I went ahead and pumped some milk for him for later. And then I decided to wear him again so I could get some stuff done while Philip is in another meeting. So here you'll see him in the little carrier. Sometimes I'll wear the wrap. Sometimes it's easier for me to just strap him in this carrier. So definitely love both of these. Y'all, I don't know if this is like a postpartum thing or what, but I have been getting so hot, like so easily, and especially while I'm cleaning, like literally sweating bullets. So you'll see me take my robe off, and I just have on like a sports bra and baby boy because I am just like so hot. I don't know. Comment down below if during your postpartum stage you got hot flashes as well, and you know, was sweating profusely like I do. Hopefully it'll go away soon, but that is why I am cleaning with my baby in a sports bra. Super hot, super aggravating. But hey, it is what it is. And that's it. That's my clean with me video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you got plenty of cleaning motivation. Today we just focused on the kitchen and the living room. And I just want you guys to know that it is okay if you can't get your whole house done, especially after you've had a baby. You need to relax and just chill out. I obviously have a hard time doing that, but proud of myself. I only did the kitchen and the living room. I think it looks pretty good. And I hope you guys just enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment below. Do you guys get hot flashes? Let me know how you handle that. Hope you guys have a great day. See you in my next video.